Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install Opera browser on Oppo Reno 8 Lite. So in order to do this, we'll need to open our Google Play Store. From here, start search for an app and enter Opera browser. Hit the search button, then select this app and install it. After installation process is complete, we'll be able to open our app. From here, we can begin customization, so click continue. Here you can enable adblock, you can also skip it right here, so I'm gonna enable it. You can enable settings which will allow to protect your privacy, enable tracker blocking, you can do it here or skip it right here. I'm gonna enable it. Always browse safely, set Opera as default. You can set your Opera to be the default browser now, but I'm gonna skip it now. Now, help us make Opera better. Here you can accept or customize preferences for that. I'm gonna accept to all and then press confirm. Now choose the theme for this browser. I'm gonna pick red one, click done, and your browser is ready. You can open any website. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel. Leave a like and a comment below.